Deep in China's Hunan province lies a town with more than 2,000 years of history, built around a spectacular waterfall. This is Furong Ancient Town. Hello everybody, we're at the Zhangjiajie railway station. It's a very rainy day. And we're going to go to a city called Furong. It only took 20 minutes by high-speed rail, one stop away from Zhangjiajie, and you can actually just drive here, and it's about 1.5 hours by car. The ticket was $30 Australian for 2 people, so it's pretty cheap. And we booked the ticket on trip.com, so I'll leave the link in the description.
Welcome to Furong. We booked this hotel through trip.com again, and they provide pickup service. We communicate through WeChat with the owner. So basically, they will send you the message through trip.com first, and then if you have WeChat, you can just give it to them, and they will send information, like pickup information for you, which is good because it's convenient. The place we stay called Yunshui Ballet Homestay. So he's waiting for more customer?
Yeah, but not in this car. Different car.
Oh, so what's he doing? Oh, so that's our hotel lady. Huh? Oh, he's just waiting to leave together?
Yeah, we're waiting to go together.
Oh. There's actually many international tourists coming to Zhangjiajie.
Heaps.
And yeah. Furong as well. I was surprised.
Majority are Russian, and then there's German, and there's some like Eastern European.
We're not sure if this is like a high season of Russian travelers. It could be holiday in Russia. That's why there's a lot of them.
Toll bridge. It's jammed up. That's why he just dropped us here. Oh, it's jammed. Traffic jam. Good car. Yeah. Okay. Cobbled roads. It's like an ancient town. Oh. You gotta go through here. Ticket office. Oh, okay. It looks like the tickets are around 100 yuan, maybe about $20, depending on what you like, the options. If you want to get like,
you can get discount price. That's why she asked us if she can get it for us.
But the hotels, it's all inclusive. All inclusive.
We have to pay
Later.
I think so.
Hey, ticket. Ticket inspection. Oh, nice. The hotel. That's nice, and it's all wooden. Smells like wood. Old wood. Oh, map.
It's gonna be upstairs.
Oh man. Time already.
Yeah, I booked this hotel because it's very close to the gate. And this is the reason why I choose here. Because of this.
Oh my god, really?
因为昨天下了特别大的雨，这个水都满出来了。
好。
但是上面的瀑布好大。
Okay.
瀑布。Go inside.
Oh.
She said if we go a bit more inside, there will be a big, massive waterfall. 你们出门游玩，把那个门票带在身上。因为有很多地方需要2次检票。这个门票3天有效期。
3天 ，OK。
包含晚上的演出都可以去看。演出地点7点半就在那个位置，7点半。
7:30 there's an event there.
Sure.
It's got a 3-day pass. We need to bring it everywhere we go.
然后从瀑布下面穿过去的时候，一定要穿雨衣或者要带伞，因为这个水非常大，会打湿。
So we need a raincoat.
对。
我们买外面买。
对，一定要买雨衣，要不然全部打湿完了。
Okay, so you need to buy a raincoat or poncho. The entry ticket to 90 yuan per person.
From how much?
From 120.
To 90.
Yeah, 129.
Oh, okay.
So I'll pay her directly now.
Okay.
Waiting there.
So if you stay here, the lady can get you a discount for the ticket as well, and the ticket will give you access to everywhere in the town. I think that's for the show and for entry to many spots. And this is the ticket. So you need this ticket, and then they will scan the QR code. Make sure that you pay. So it's very important. I think book to trip.com and let them organize for you. It's a good idea. 谢谢你。再见。好。
So good.
Yeah.
How good is this? Just the rain. Just the rain is extra.
So this is a place very close to the gate, so you don't have to walk too far, and you still get to see this grand view. But actually, the finale view is not here. You have to walk quite a bit from here, but not that far. It's within the old town, but the price of the hotel in that area quite expensive and limited spot, and I couldn't book it because it's like sold out. Yeah, so I think if you want like a prime view, to the main waterfall, you might have to check it out a bit earlier, because this is like a popular and famous tourist spot, domestic and international. Yeah, but this is a good price, good enough. And it's around 120 something a night for this view, and that very big room. It's a good price, yeah, because if we want to see the main waterfall, we still can go.
Yeah, which we're going to do too.
But that main waterfall, I think, is around 300 bucks a night. Yeah. But let's go and eat, and then we can go check it out.
We'll do a tour of the city. Beautiful old town. Look at that. Reminds me of Lijiang a bit, isn't it?
I was gonna say, it's exactly
it's like Lijiang.
You know what? The floor.
Cobblestones.
Yeah. But this is a proper ancient town. Huh? This one got hello.
A lot of restaurants everywhere, so we're just gonna pick the kind of. What's this one? Oh, 这个多少钱？这个？
这个10元。
啊
？10元。
10元 Okay. 好。10 yuan for a raincoat, which is $2. Hopefully the food here is good, but the view is gonna be pretty epic. Oh, nice.
Waterfall on the view.
Oh man.
So the good place to stay could be that one. That one. You can have dinner over there. Like over there. That one. What where we stay is like the top of the mountain.
Chili pork.
Yeah. This chili, stir fried chili, is very Hunan. They love this. You know the school chili? I like to buy when I'm in Australia. Buy and eat raw. Yummy. It's salty but with rice good. Oily as usual.
Yeah, Hunan food's a bit oily, hey?
They're stir fried very oily.
Oh, yes. Nice. I like these. There's so much garlic in it. This is the best pork. It's kind of sweet, normally. That's how my mum makes it anyway.
It should be salty here.
Yeah.
That's dongboro, this is not dongboro.
Try this. Yeah, nice. I swear my mum cooks Hunan food a lot, right? Stir fry pork, vegetable, the taste of home. 你有辣椒酱吗？辣椒酱
That's chili what?
chili sauce. Just like, her eyes were like, because we chose the spiciest one. He's asking for more chili.
Yeah, why she asked for spicy when it's not spicy?
I don't think
at all?
spicy at all, yeah. 辣椒油. I think I asked for sauce. 辣椒油 is chili oil.
Use oil, right?
Yeah. Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah.
House, isn't it?
They probably don't have chili sauce. There's no such as chili sauce in China. Chili sauce Hong Kong. British.
22 yuan. All the movies that have been shot in Furong.
That's the Japanese, during Japanese war.
Yeah. That's the view of the... Oh, that's crazy. It's crazy the amount of people here. Crazy. 15 yuan.
这新鲜的我都刚卖完了。我给洗一下，
See here. Okay.
洗一下，给你加两个。
Oh, he's gonna give you 2 more.
冬月腊月
That's nice of him. 15 yuan.
冬月底腊月初。
These apples were really nice as well. He gave us a sample. Gonna clean it there. Nice. Yeah, yeah.
Pear, right? Pear.
A pear? Okay. It's like a mix. 15.
这个要不要？
这个不要，这个可以。
好，谢谢。
谢谢。Wow. Strawberries, eh?
Yeah, I haven't had berries.
But you don't. Have you
for a
tried them?
long time. I don't need to try.
You don't need to try.
I want to eat strawberries. Doesn't matter.
Hey, look, what game is that guy playing? Chinese checkers or some sort of.
Yeah. I used to play online. Way better than Australia.
Sweet.
Juicy. 好吃，
好吃，好吃，
好吃，
很
甜，
很甜，very sweet. Scenic waterfall entrance. 你好。
请正对停，请通行。
Okay. Hey, what's here? So you need this ticket to get in and around the areas.
They just want to make sure you pay for everything.
Another selfie spot. I'm taking some stairs down. Hopefully this is the right way, or we're going to have to climb back up. Got the waterfall right there. Very slippery actually, it's a bit dangerous.
no one
take another
here.
photo again. Alright, we've come all the way down, but because we don't have a tour, we don't really know what we're doing. It says this is a disembarkation dock. Can't return by boat. 这个船去哪里？
Go there. Do there.
Over there? Okay. I hope it's the right thing.
Okay. There's more people.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
So basically, I don't know why she said she needs to wear raincoat on this boat. That was it. It's a very short, very short trip.
站过来，
啊，这边。
对对
Okay.
Stay behind.
Oh,
Behind. He doesn't want you to stay there. That thing gonna.
这家伙下来我下来我这。
小心点啊，前面有人。
we're the only ones getting off.
让两位出去一下。
Oh my god.
只在边上了，
一天都管你不住啊。
你当谁呀？
What is this? It's a crush. It's a crush.
The boat will wait for you.
Huh? That's crazy.
I believe the boat will wait for them.
That was kind of awkward. We were the only ones getting off. That was weird. It was a strange experience. Oh,
Can I go through?
they're like, nah, you can't really. Alright, we're on the other side of the river. Ham. Cured meat. We'll go this way.
It's sad we can't buy ham back home.
Mmm.
Pork products can't enter Australia.
Oh,
Okay, he's
rice
back.
cracker, rice cracker. Oh,
He's back, he's back.
who's back?
A few days ago you walk past them, you'll be like,
Can't put it.
disgusting.
No, because my stomach was hurting before. Face massaging.
Chinese better, so she can give it better. If you say you speak
这个是牛角做的按摩梳，
牛角。
按摩梳可以通经络、活经血，对身体非常好，用来养生的。
养生的。
养生的
A horn-made massage comb can unblock meridian, activate acupoint. Ah,
One made from home.
that's from horn. Right?
You can tell.
Yeah, and you use it for scratching your head.
You
Toe.
can do anything.
Toe.
No, just for sympathetic.
Oh, okay.
No, lympathetic.
Lympathetic. Okay.
Lympathetic. You massage your neck like this.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Blogger.
那我可以关注你们哟。
好。我们用什么 YouTube
你是用什么软件？
software 什么YouTube 你知道 YouTube
I
don't think.
不没有中国没有 YouTube
中国没有 YouTube。
yeah
OK。
all like that
我看的话是08。
okay I'll get this one then yeah I'll probably use that one because the area okay how
Lymphatic.
that area the neck okay well good massage how 10元10元
10元。
10元
OK 好我买一个
买一个好的。
Yeah 好的
Net pack。
need packet 或什么是 need packet
你需要袋子
啊
吗？
袋子不用可以放
你中文很好哎。
一点点
东方人的特征。
人的
哦我是 我是中国人。
哦，你是中国人，是
yeah
华裔吗？
华国人，
啥哈？
韩国人，韩国人，
韩国人。
韩国人。
不是。
No no no. Malaysian.
华裔吗？
华裔。
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 对。对。我们在澳大利亚住。
澳大利亚。
Yeah.
嗯。
他呢？
泰国人。
泰国人。Correct.
啊。
他是泰国人。你有去泰国吗？
没有。
没有。
我们这边对泰国人多。
啊。
It's popular.
Popular.
Yeah. Thai people like.
Okay. Have you got mine? That's mine.
我们这边有很多泰国的团队。
啊，好。Yeah.
萨瓦迪卡。
谢谢。
拜拜。
สวัสดีครับ So I can just do this. Oh.
No.
I'll have to clean it first, I think.
Don't do it on your forehead.
Huh?
There's no lymphatic system.
Lymphatic?
Yeah, lymphatic.
Oh, I'm doing that.
Yeah. Great. It's when you have like migraine, sinus.
Okay. Anyway, must buy from that lady. 10 yuan. Very nice.
Come here.
It's a very unique fish, eh? It's kind of like a mud dwelling fish, like a catfish. It's got those feelers. There's a little gecko here. No, don't do that. Don't do that. That's teasing. What's this? Beef. Beef. Jeez. He's just playing.
我们肯定是根据把价格说好了，才去开的车，对不对？没说好，别个没过了。还是太久。两个做完了过后，问你过没过？没过。
Look at this. There's two houses so close to each other. Oh, this is the top of the waterfall, eh? I think our hotel is just up there. Okay, this is where we're gonna have dinner.
Most people come after dinner. After the show.
Oh. How's the view?
Much. Let's try that snow beer.
Yeah, maybe no beer. Yeah. 这个是中国的。
中国的
Yeah, okay. 好，
一个，
一个给。
要凉的吗？
差不多要。
你喝爽。
Snow beer. Very loud, so you're gonna have to scream. Oh, yeah.
Chili mashed one.
That's the mashed one. Yeah. Oh. This one's an interesting one. It's chili with century egg, and you're gonna mash. Well, they already mashed it up, but apparently you're gonna mash it up. I've never even seen it before.
Huh?
Never seen it. Never seen this dish before. It's like a numprik.
Yes, and I'm taking Thailand. I think it's the Hunan thingy.
This is I don't know what this is. Yellow fish, yellow sauce fish.
We've seen everywhere, right?
Yeah, I
On
think
the
so.
street.
Yeah.
In a tank.
And what do we got here?
Fermented beans.
Fermented beans. Chili as well. Wow, this is interesting. All these dishes I haven't had before. Oh yeah, it's got pork mince in it. Nice.
I had so much green chili today. I mean, it's a little bit spicy, but yummy. This century eggs. Chili. I like it.
Yeah.
Very nice. Whoa! Wow, this is scary. So sour. It's really sour. I don't know if you can eat it. Wow.
Really? That sounds pretty scary.
Might be dangerous for you because your tummy is not 100% yet. I don't know how I'm gonna eat this. They don't give us the bone bowl. It's like comfort food.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Is it spicy?
No, not at all. I don't think it's meant to be spicy. I saw on
It's
the
just a plain tofu soup, is it?
with pig,
Oh, with pickles.
pickle, mustard, cabbage. Oh, ginger. Not pickle one. Ginger is ginger. With tofu as well. I like the ginger bit.
Yeah.
I think let's go with this. It's like good combination. 很好. This is scary. Try.
Yeah. Very sour. Very, very sour. Maybe it's too sour. Okay, this is very challenging food. This is very, very pickled, very sour. This is basically chili. So it's very, very spicy. And this one's nice. It's a river fish, freshwater fish. And it's got a lot of bones. So it's not what I'd say the easiest food to eat. The lights have just come on. It's gonna get better in time. As it gets darker. How's the meal? I'm bao. Oh, look at the view now. Oh, that's like magical, hey. 330 yuan for that meal. It's a bit slippery. It's been raining. It's almost flooding. Water's getting pretty high here. Hey guys, look how close we are.
Furong is amazing. You gotta visit it once in your life.
And as usual, the camera cannot capture it. You've just got to come here and see it for yourself. Isn't that right? Yeah.
Alright, let's go see the show.
Oh, Hunan place. There's a show. We're very late to it though. It's already started, can you hear it? Probably over. Oh, inside here. Let's go check it out, eh? Oh.
作为别样的湘西简史，唱出这场水上丝绸之路的繁荣历史，演绎了楚江海虎佬们闯滩搏浪的万丈豪情。Over the millionaire of the surging waters of the Ill River, the largest river in western Hunan, only ancient waterfall.
We made it. Very good. That was very, very good. Like this. Like this one. Pixie. Can he be doing this? Are you posing? 要做什么？Yeah, Sally boy.
你幫俾一堆人影緊而家。你要收錢㗎啦！跟住你等我啊！你哋喺前面等我得啦，我喺
You wanna go to the park? You wanna go to the park? You wanna go to the park?
And just stand up for everyone to take a photo.
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Look at the camera.
No reaction. It's the owner. That's why.
Oh no.
And he can keep him still.
No wonder he's can tell you what's.
See how busy this is? There she is. And we're going to show you our room. If I can get to it. If I can get to it. Whoop, sorry. So most people are here just like as a day trip, isn't it?
Or they just stay outside the town.
Yeah, there's a lot of, we went outside the Furong area and a lot of people stay there, so the hotels and stuff there.
We stay just right next to the bridge where everyone can see us.
Yeah, we
Just right here.
this is insane. Yeah, why not? bit wet out there.
What's that?
Oh, that's eggs. I can't believe you went out there.
This is the morning in Furong. Lucky we arrived here yesterday. We get to see the city. I think it's not good seeing the city. Kind of flat, so lucky I bought this plastic cover.
Yeah.
It's really helpful. It's like real weight.